Hello everyone, it's Darian from TTPlantery, and today we're going to talk about how to grow your own endless supply of mint. First, you need to go to your local garden nursery and get a mint plant. You just have to choose a stem, preferably one that's at least 6 inches long. You're going to cut them. After you've chosen a couple of stems, remove the bottom half and put the leaves to the side. We're going to save those for mint tea. Place all those stems in a cup of water, a cup or a jar, and in a couple of weeks they're going to grow roots. If you look at these, some of these have already begun growing roots. Once they have a decent amount, you can plant them in the garden. Grow your own food, grow your own medicine.